alphabet A to Z. Alligator, hatchling. A baby alligator is called a hatchling. Hatchlings are born from eggs and are tiny but grow into big reptiles. A baby bear is called a cub. Cubs stay with their mothers for food and protection until they are ready to explore. Zoo cat. A baby cat is called a kitten. Kittens are playful and love to cuddle with their moms. D-dog, puppy. A baby dog is called a puppy. Puppies are energetic and love to play and learn tricks. Elephant, gov. A baby frog is called a calf. Taves use their little trunks to learn how to eat and drink. Frog, tadpole. A baby frog is called a tadpole. Tadpoles start with no legs and grow into hopping frogs. Goat. Kid. A baby goat is called a kid. Kids love to jump and climb all over the place. A horse. A baby horse is called a foal. Foals can walk and run just a few hours after they are born. Iguana, hatchling. A baby iguana is also called a hatchling. Hatchlings are tiny and green, blending well with leaves. Jaguar. A baby jaguar is called a cub. Cubs learn to hunt and climb trees from their mothers. Kangaroo. A baby kangaroo is called a joey. Joeys live in their mother's pouch until they are good enough to hop around. A lion. A baby lion is called a cub. Lion cubs live in a group called a pride and play with their siblings. Monkey. A baby monkey is called an infant. Infants love to cling to their mother as she swings through trees. Newt. A baby newt is called an F. F start in water and go to live on land as adults. Oh, owl. Owlet. A baby owl is called an owlet. Owlets stay in their nests until they are strong enough to fly. Pig. A baby pig is called a piglet. Piglets are small, pink, and love to roll in the mud. Quail. Chick. A baby quail is called a chick. Chicks are fluffy and stay close to their mother for warmth. Rabbit. A baby rabbit is called a kid or kitten. Kids live in burrows and grow up quickly to hop around. Sheep. A baby sheep is called a lamb. Lambs are soft and often seen playing in grassy fields. Tiger. A baby tiger is called a chick. Chicks are fluffy and stay close to their mother for warmth. A rabbit. A baby rabbit is called a kit or kitten. Kids live in burrows and grow up quickly to hop
A baby
around.
sheep is called a lamb. Lambs are soft and often seen playing in grassy fields. Tiger cub. A baby tiger is called a cub. Tiger cubs learn to hunt and stalk by playing with their siblings. Umbrellabird chick. A baby umbrellabird is called a chick. Chicks grow up in nests high in the trees. Vulture chick. A baby vulture is also called a chick. Vulture chicks stay in their nests until they are ready to fly. Wolf pup. A baby wolf is called a pup. Pups are born in dens and live with their pack. Xenopus tadpole. A baby xenopus frog African clawed frog is called a tadpole. Tadpoles have tails and live in water until they grow legs. Yak calf. A baby yak is called a calf. Calves live in cold mountains and grow thick fur to stay warm. Zebra foal. A baby zebra is called a foal. Foals are born with stripes and can run soon after birth.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.